sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max Alpine Green, new launch, 1 terabyte. So let's open the phone and let's see what is in the box. It says here everything. So let's see what is in the box. Nice packaging. As usual, Apple do a good job always. That's Apple sign. So you need to buy your own charger. It doesn't come with this one. But the phone itself looks amazing. It's nice, good size, 6.7 inch, 1 terabyte. Very elegant. I like the color as well. I was thinking, I don't know how it will look like in the real phone. Apple Alpine Green, but no bad. Really nice. I appreciate that. Yeah. So good thing about I find about just now that I don't have to buy a new charger because my Apple MacBook charger will fit in this, so I don't have to carry two chargers. It just goes straight in. So yeah, there you go, one charger and two things. So that's a good benefit. I don't have to carry two chargers all the time with me when I'm traveling even.